Welcome. I'm Elinor Silverstein, and today I'm here with Stacy Barrows, who's going to be teaching at our upcoming Feldenkrais Guild of North America Conference 2025. And the title of her workshop is Healing to Learn, Navigating Recovery Through the Feldenkrais Method Lens. Stacy, tell us about this.
Thank you, Eleanor. And this actually is an honor to be able to work with this and to share what I hope I can share with people. I got a diagnosis last year with breast cancer, and it really helped me put my Feldenkrais thinking to work in the sense of how I could adapt, how I could find new abilities. So the title of the conference was just resonated for me so well. And I think there's some successes and some failures, but it really was something I felt would be nice to share, give people some opportunity to play with some of the tools that I worked with and see if that inspires them.
Was there any one thing in your recovery that you did that made a difference that helped yourself that you're going to be teaching?
Well, there were so many things. There was a particular time, one particular awareness or movement lesson, Feldenkrais lesson, that I really felt like I sensed my whole body, didn't know that I had disconnected it. So that was a big moment for me. It was being in the unknown. It was, going into radiation and having to hold my breath in a particular way and to be strategic in that way, and it just kept putting me to the test of finding ways to use less effort, try and see if I can observe a way to navigate that. And and there were some structural things that I was able to follow the rules, which is unusual for me. But then to come back and then play around with it so that I could stay, coming back to the oncologist saying, yeah, I did that. So yeah.
And really helped yourself heal?
Exactly. It was definitely learning through healing.
Wow. Stacy, thank you so much. I'm looking forward to coming to your workshop.
Thank you so much.